Hello, hello, Concrete Basic. Here we are again on a nice looking view along Richmond Hill. So we have a tiny job, 10 by 10 squares. So it's 100 square job, and easy as mate. Let's have a look. Oh, just a little bit of footings in this area. And there. And we have to be very careful on this end because the bracing is not that good. So they have nothing in there on that side except those two timber. So yeah, that's the only weak point on this job. Aside from that, everything's good. This one's pretty nice and easy. It's hot in summer here in Christchurch, New Zealand, year 2020, month of December. There we go. Two guys will stay here after the placing and everything is set up. And there's another guys there. Come on, man. It's the one. Yeah, look at that. So our pump is JFC, and the one who's giving us concrete is Bean on the hose.
Hey, Donnie,
on the pump.
Are those heights changing all the time?
In the gears?
Does the heights when it comes down here change again? The heights down here?
No. It's 25 different. 25 from there and there. The brick and the rock.
It's 25 from up there and low here.
So how much the difference? How much the difference from that point to the other rebate? 5 mil?
Yeah, 4.
How about the other rebate there? That's good. So just follow that one. If it's good over there. So we are taking our height on the existing blocks there, because cannot do anything much on that one. Yeah, the bracings, you have to check the bracings before we start this job. Looks good. Yeah, and the block's pretty strong, so look at that, solid blocks. Solid wall, so that's good. Our weak point is this area, so we have to be very careful putting our concrete in this side. And another weak point, is there anything let's say about here? This one a little bit better. Get support from the back, so yeah, That's pretty good. Yeah, got a wire tass is sticking underneath, so it's pretty strong. How about here, the other side, the box, the corners. Check the corners, the joints. Oh, the joints not that pretty good, eh? Look, you have support on top, but he don't have support underneath. See, look, just I'll chuck some big stones underneath so it will not. This is not our job anymore, but you know, as a concrete placer, we have to at least give our job a little bit of concern, you know. Big stones here, so it will not. Okay, so let's have a look. It's the one, another more, just to make it safe. Look at that. Heavy stones. Yep. Oh, another joint. Oh, quite strong joint. Corners. What the heck? They don't even put support on this one. Seems like I'm going to put another big rock at the back of this boxing just to make sure that it will not go anywhere when we vibrate. Considering the strength of pump and then plus the vibration, so yeah, it's better to be safe, you know, than sorry later. Take this round. Builders did not even care their jobs. Let's double check again over here. Main mistake of the builders most of the time is the corners. Right here. Sometimes they don't put anything on the joint. This one here is pretty good. Bracings. That's the one good thing on that joint. There is 2x4. They can hold on to the other side of the boxing. One. So check everything before we start the concreting, so the boxing will not run away somewhere else. And it's good. So that's all. Here's our main man, the Donny.
It's the flower. Sal.
Okay, that's all, and see you later. Thank you for watching my video.